Hello, hello, hello. Grandma Bev here with Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to share with you my first Mighty Fix. Ooh. So I don't know a whole lot about this company yet. So let's get it open, see what's in it. And then, of course, when I edit the video, I'll give more specifics like what I paid, that kind of stuff. What the heck is in here? I don't know if you can see. Okay. It's supposed to be a natural place where everything is as natural, products. Oh, look at what's in here. Funny smell to them. What is this, for juggling or something? Let's see what they say. What in the world? It says welcome. Oh, I see what they call them. Mighty Fix, how it works. It says, each month we'll send you one truly useful, healthy green product and helpful tips and tricks. You just heard something in the background. It's the printer going. Bob must have put something through. Let's see. It all ships free. And it says, welcome to Mightynest. We're so glad you've joined the Mighty Fix. We can't wait for you to discover how easy it can be to step into a healthier, greener lifestyle. You'll be amazed by how much progress you make every month and how great it feels to use products that are better choices for people and the planet. The Mightynest team is here to help. We're a friendly group of people who are passionate about making healthy, green living simple and sustainable for you and your family. We'll be sharing tips and tricks every step of the way, and we'd love to hear from you. So then you got little hints on the back of the card. Simple choices here. Breathe clean. You can keep the air around you free of harmful chemicals. You can ditch disposables, replacing single-use products with reusable options, like plastic water bottles. Clean green. Use only safe plant-based cleaning products. Choose safe materials. Prepare and store your food. So in other words, no BPA containers. Use safe body care. Protect and nourish your body without synthetic chemicals. Okay, now we've got a description of this. I'm not going to try to hold all three of them. They look like a tennis ball, too. Oh, if you had a dog, they'd go crazy over it. Okay, dryer balls. They naturally soften, fluff, and reduce drying time. Here's the truth about standard dryer sheets. They're soaked with synthetic chemicals that coat the clothes and transfer to your family's skin, that's for sure. They pollute indoor air by causing your dryer to vent air that would fail a car emissions test. Plus, most dryer sheets can't be recycled and go to the landfill after just one use. Yeah, I don't use dryer sheets. Only thing I use dryer sheets for is I put a few in the motorhome drawers because it's supposed to repel any rodents and things from coming inside and eating up your stuff. I use the, like Downy, that kind of stuff, but I still think it's what causes my rash on my neck. Because every morning I wake up with itchy neck. Okay, what makes this mighty? 100% premium New Zealand wool. It's reusable, lasts for thousands of loads, okay. Saves energy, uses 25% less energy per load. And it's naturally biodegradable, so it's compostable. The use and care. Toss all 3 balls in your dryer for every load. The clothes dry faster, so they reduce the drying time about 25%. Leave the balls in the dryer between loads so they're always ready to go. That sounds pretty simple, Huh. All right, well, I'm going to try it. What the heck? As soon as I get it from here, it's going in my dryer. So what'd you think? Sounds like a pretty good company so far. We'll see what they keep sending me. So, new direction. Comment below, share, like, and subscribe. And remember, my next major subscriber, what's the word? Goal, I don't know, is 1,000. And if we can make that by the middle of November, you'll have a lot more choices not November, of October. You'll have a lot more choices of Vera Bradley purses to choose from for your prize. So, let's get busy. Tell all your friends, go see Grandma Bev, she's crazy. Hope you're all having a good day. I love you all. Bye.